This is the unboxing of the Casio GW-B5600HR-1DR, which I obtained from Vincent's Watches in England. And it was on sale for Boxing Day 2021 coupon. And it ended up being $154 and change with free shipping, which is fantastic. I haven't been able to find it that cheap anywhere else. Okay. Wow, 2 little pieces of foam. I've never seen that before. And then, wow, it's got a bag. I really didn't expect that. It says Vincent Watches, or Vincent Watch. Wow, I've never bought anything from Vincent before. I sure didn't expect that. They threw that in there. And then, of course, the informational stuff about the module. I don't know what that M637 is. 3459, 3461. And then, what's this? This is a warranty card. Whoa, all hand filled out, 8 January. Wow, I've never seen that before either. Oh, because it's Vincent Watch. Wow, you sure can't beat that. Alright, that's pretty cool. And then here's a card that says hello. And on the back it talks about Vincent Watch. Okay, alright, so that stuff is not what I normally find in these boxes. And then here's the, I mean, some of it is, the module and stuff. Here's the tin. Okay, that's what you would expect, right? Alright, hold on. It's definitely a two-handed operation. Okay, so then the usual, right, foam. And then I have one of these Combi V2s that came from one of these, or was sold new on its own in England. Like I said, it was from England too. Like, I really like Combi V2s. It's probably my favorite Casio watch band. Alright, so I put a 5600 on it because it's got the red. That's pretty cool, right? And then the red inserts, I always love the red inserts. And then if you look at the back, it's got the outline and the red inserts. It's really cool. See if I can get this so you can see it. Sorry. It's hard, like on the ones that are 2 pieces, the band is 2 pieces. It's a whole lot easier. Let me see. Nope. Just don't have the right lighting. Sorry, folks. Anyway, let's see, where's it made? Dollar sets made in Taiwan or China. It's made in China. Okay. So anyway, this is the watch, and I've got to adjust the size, and it's the time is wrong because it came out of Singapore. It was shipped directly from Singapore. But anyway, I'm very happy with it. This is my last watch that incorporates from the factory the Combi bracelet, the V2. I actually have all the ones that have the V2 from the factory, and I've added 2 more V2s to other watches that didn't come with V2s. So, actually, yeah, 2 more. Anyway, the way to set these up, in my opinion, is to put the auto light on 4 seconds. And so when you turn your wrist, you can see what time it is, because unless the lighting's correct, you can see the displays are pretty dim. Right? See, at Singapore, it's already ahead. It's actually New Year's Eve here, but in Singapore, it's already 1-1. All right, Happy New Year.